Hey YouTube, so in this video I'll just show you how to import LUTs on the Vivo X300 Pro. I'm using the X300 Pro, but this method works on all the smartphones from the X100 series onwards. So the X100, the X200 and the X300 series. Right now Vivo has the X300 Ultra out, and it might be different for that since it has a totally separate and totally revamped Pro video mode. But for the 100 series and 200 series, it's pretty much the same thing. And I'll tell you how you can import LUTs. So basically, all you have to do is go to the video mode, and up top on the video mode, you'll have this hexagonal icon that you can see. So with that icon, you have the option for log recording. Log basically means like the colors will be muted, it'll be grayed out almost, but the sensors will record maximum amount of data, and you can manipulate the colors in however way you like, and you can basically color grade it later on, or you could use LUTs to color grade within the phone itself. So by default, it comes with a singular LUT, and you can actually download multiple LUTs that Vivo provides. And let's get straight into it now. So on the default camera app, just click on the hexagonal icon, click on log, and now log video is enabled. And you can see that the colors are immediately grayed out. The colors look much more dull. What you have to do is just start recording. It doesn't matter what you're recording, just make a short log video. So in this clip here, I am recording a 30-second video for the demonstration here, but it doesn't matter how long the video is. You just need one log video on your gallery to import the LUT. So now that you've done recording, so the video clip is about complete now. Yep. And now I'll open the video clip. Before I do that, in the gallery, in the camera app itself, you have this I button. To the bottom right corner, you see an I button. So click on that, and it'll show you what log does and how the log footage will look like. And you can actually scroll down from this, and as you scroll down to the bottom, you have this option called download now. So you can click on the download now button, and I don't have Wi-Fi now, so I'll just connect it to Wi-Fi really quick, and it'll take about a second. And yep, connected to Wi-Fi now. So I'll come back, I'll click on the I, I'll scroll down, and I'll click on the download now button, and it'll take you to a website, basically Vivo's own website, and you'll be able to download a zip file. So hit download, and that's done. Now you don't have to do anything with the files. Now what you have to do is come back to the 30-second video, or however long, doesn't matter. Come back to the log video which you just recorded, click on it, and click on the edit option. It's right next to the share button up top, you can see, and click on the edit option. And once you click on that, you have to scroll down to the right end, and you will have this option called Pro. So click on the Pro option and go into filters. So you have this option called filters at the bottom right there. So click on that filters option, and now you have a color reset LUT or a color restore LUT. It will bring back the colors to the muted log video. That's basically what LUT does. It gives a color profile, and you have to scroll all the way to the right end. And so for me, I've already downloaded and imported the LUTs here, so you can see them here. And you can import 5 LUTs on the Vivo app, on the Vivo's own editing app. So since I already have imported the 5 LUTs, I'm going to delete one LUT here. So it's called refined. I'm going to delete that LUT now. All you have to do is hold and then hit delete. And so I'm deleting that LUT now just for demonstration purpose here. And I'll hit import, and I'll go to the file. It'll default to this file which you just downloaded, the zip file which you just downloaded. If it doesn't work, you might have to extract the zip file. You might have to just click on it and it'll extract on its own. And when you come back to the gallery, it'll automatically come to this folder. You don't have to worry about that. You don't have to worry about searching, because the phone automatically finds out .cube files and you can import it directly. So as you can see here, some of the files seem to be corrupted in some way since they have an underscore in front of their name. So if you try to import from the file that has an underscore in front of the name, it won't work. So you just saw when I selected the right file, the LUT was imported almost immediately. It was almost instantaneous. So that's how you import LUTs into the Vivo X300 Pro, and you can do it for the X200 and 100 series as well, since the camera app is really similar. So what LUTs do is they basically kind of give a sort of a color profile. It's almost like preset color grading. So you have 5 LUTs which Vivo gives you, and you can download and import more LUTs. You can actually tell Claude to make LUTs for you. You can describe a style, or you can give it an image and you can tell it that I want a LUT in this similar style, and it'll make a LUT for you. It'll make a .cube file, and you can import that as well. But that depends on your style and on what you're trying to shoot and on what you're trying to show. It depends on the story that you're trying to tell. So Vivo gives you these 5 LUTs which you can use, and it depends on what you need and what you want to use. And this is basically how you do it. And I hope you guys find this video informative. Please like and subscribe, and whatever doubts you have or whatever type of video that I need to do, just let me know in the comments and I'll do it next time. So see you all. Bye bye.